So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the glazing effect, and glazing can be done with watercolor and acrylic, but I'm going to show you with acrylic paint. So you need to start out with already dried acrylic, and so I have two colors here so you can see what it looks like on top of both colors. And I'm going to use a little bit of yellow. I'm going to bring it to an empty well. And I'm going to water it down just a little bit because you want it to be relatively thin and transparent, because what's going to happen, you'll see in a second. So once I have that mixed with water pretty well, I'm just going to put the yellow over the top of the two colors. And you can see what happens is that it kind of gives it, like it blends a little bit with the color underneath without changing the color completely. So it's a good way to make things look like things are stacked on top of one another, or where it kind of is transparent and you can build colors that way. One thing that will happen with this is if you go over it a few more times than needed, it will actually start pulling up the color from either side. So you just want to be really thin and not go over it too many times, because it will start pulling that color from either side into the other color. So I'm just going to put some more yellow over the top of where it kind of blended here. Because where it touches the paper, it shouldn't be blended, but I went over it a little bit too much. We can see what happens when it goes over the two other colors. It kind of gives us an orangish color here and a more green here, kind of overlay to give it the idea of a different color without really mixing the color together.